Progress test files 1 to 5. Listening 1.
Today I'm talking to Vicky Lewis, a dietitian. Vicky, tell us about some of these unusual diets that people go on.
Well, I used to try a lot of diets when I was younger, but I realized that dieting isn't usually a good idea. It's much more sensible to cut out high-fat foods, try to eat smaller portions, and make sure you do some exercise. But the problem is that doesn't sound very exciting. Nobody wants to buy a book called The Eat Sensibly Diet. Also, lots of strange diets have become popular because of celebrities. One famous actress eats baby food to lose weight, and suddenly everyone thinks that that's a good idea.
Can you give us some more examples?
Well, let's start with the caveman diet. You can only eat what people used to eat 10,000 years ago. That is, meat, fish, vegetables, and fruit. You mustn't eat milk products, salt, or sugar. Not very exciting, you might say. But it's more interesting than the cabbage soup diet, which is exactly what it says. If you are thinking of trying this one, you need to know that you shouldn't do it for more than 7 days.
Cabbage soup for 7 days. Oh, yuck. What about the blue sunglasses diet that I've heard about?
Yes. The idea there is to make food look uninteresting, so you will want to eat less. You put on sunglasses that make all your food look blue. And then there's the morning banana diet.
Oh, what's that one?
You have to eat a banana for breakfast and drink a glass of water, but it mustn't be cold water. For the rest of the day, you can eat as much as you want.
Is that all you have to do?
Yes, but you must go to bed before midnight. Another interesting one is the reverse diet. This is maybe not as silly as it sounds. You have to eat all your meals in the wrong order.
Yes, well, doctors are always telling us to eat more in the morning and less in the evening.
Shall we finish with the really crazy air diet, which appeared in a fashion magazine?
What, you eat air?
Well, yes, basically. The idea is that you sit down, use your knife and fork, and move the food to your mouth, but you don't actually eat anything except water and salt soup. It lets you join in a nice meal with your friends without putting on any weight.
Well, that's definitely the most ridiculous thing that I've ever heard on this program. So, Vicky, what advice would you give to people?